Had a bird to visit me today, y'all. Hey, baby. Bird visit me. The bird visit me today, y'all. Look at little baby. Hey, little baby. Yeah, it's a nice little bird. He visit me today, y'all. I parked and I heard something hit my door, and this is what I guess I had a special guest today. I guess it's a great thing. Hung around with me, still hanging around with me. Hey, little baby. Look, it's a little baby bird. It's a little baby bird just hanging around with me today. Hey. It's a blessing. Maybe I started talking to the little bird. Like, hey, what's going on? Say, hey. The bird knows, ain't he? I guess the bird trying to get out the wind or something. I don't know. And the bird's got an excellent hearing. So, hey, y'all. This is a nice YouTube video for all my animal lovers. Stand right with me. I'm hanging on in there with the bird. This may be a good sign, people. Hey, birdie, birdie. Hey. Hey. Let's see the bird. Still here with me. Still here with me, people. I'm trying to figure out, let me see. I want to move to the look and see on the outside. Okay. It's amazing. Hey, birdie. You like tapping the window a little bit. I don't want to scare him or her. Got me a friend, y'all. Got me a little friend. Came to visit me. Hey. A bird landed right here on my car. It's All right. Look at the little birdie. I don't know what to tell y'all. The bird just landed here, and I sit here, pulled over, and get ready to get out shortly, and man, the bird just came, knocked on my window. Just tap, tap. Tap on the window over here. Let's see, y'all. It's amazing. And you know they got spy birds too now. Spy pigeons. But this is like a real one here. Look at you trying to rest. Got the eyes closed. What's going on? I'm detailing the whole video, showing y'all this is real. This is not make-believe. This is real. Bird came and visited me today. Wow. Bird just came and visited me. Unbelievable. I'm sorry, people. I turned off. Bird just visited me. Visited Martin Johnson today. Look like the bird trying to go to sleep. Keep closing his eyes. His or her eyes. Bird, all right. I'm whistling now. You know, amazing sounds. Bird's still here, people. It's been 5 minutes. Somebody said, man, you crazy. You videoing a bird. Man, it's amazing, man. I think I had this happen to me before. A bird landed on my, matter of fact, I'm gonna go find that video. A bird landed on my, on the driver's side. Now this time it's on the passenger side. Hey, you're resting. The bird stayed with me for y'all for 6 minutes. Wow. Six minutes. Look, the bird want to rest. Hey. All right, baby. I think I hear a little sound coming from the bird. I guess he's blocking himself out from the wind, so the wind won't blow or something. Is it heat on here or something? I don't know. This is real, people. This is live, uncut, unedited. This is nature itself on my door. Wow. 10 minutes. So they said, boy, you gonna mess around and go viral in this video. Well, maybe I will. Now, I don't know if I want to disturb him or her. Seems like they're resting all right. I know when I get out, they're going to fly away. Well, look at the bird just closing his eyes. I ain't never seen this before. All right. Like he wanted to sleep. He heard that. This is real, people. There we go. All right, it flew away.